If you're looking for a help desk solution and you're stuck between these two, stick around because we're breaking it down in a way that actually helps you decide. And at the end, I'll share a better alternative that could save you time and money. ServiceNow is a powerhouse, no doubt. It's built for enterprises, packed with automation, IT service management, and a ton of integrations. But that's also its downside. It's complex, expensive, and not exactly beginner-friendly. If you don't have a dedicated IT team, expect a steep learning curve. Help Scout, on the other hand, is a completely different approach. It's lightweight, super user-friendly, and built for customer support teams rather than IT departments. If you want a simple, effective way to manage customer conversations, it's great. But if you need advanced workflows, automation, or deep IT service management, it might not be enough. Next thing, customization. ServiceNow wins here. You can automate almost anything, create custom workflows, and tweak it to fit even the most complex business needs. But that power comes with a price, both in dollars and in time spent setting it up. Help Scout is more plug and play, meaning less setup, but also fewer options for customization. The fourth thing, pricing. ServiceNow is enterprise level, meaning it's expensive. Pricing varies based on what you need, but expect to pay a premium. Help Scout is much more affordable, with transparent pricing and no hidden fees. If you're a smaller business or a growing team, Help Scout is the more budget-friendly option. Customer experience is another key factor. Help Scout's interface is clean and easy to use, with a focus on email-based support. ServiceNow is powerful but overwhelming, and unless your team is trained, they'll struggle to navigate it efficiently. So which is the best help desk software? ServiceNow is excellent for large businesses needing deep ITSM features, while Help Scout is better for customer-facing teams wanting a simple, effective tool. But after testing all of them, I found an even better alternative that balances power, ease of use, and affordability. If you want the best help desk software for your needs, take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. You'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Check it out and see the difference for yourself.